Welcome guys, this is Antony Vijay. This is my 18th video. Today we are going to discuss about multiplication of any numbers by 5 in an easiest way. Let me see through examples. First of all, I just going to explain through examples. First example, I am taking a 2-digit number 98 into 5. So it means you have to multiply with the 10, so it is 980. After that you have to divide it by 2. Okay, so it means 4 remaining one here, so 9 then 0. That's all. Okay, let me see the second example. 8756 into 5. Okay, so again same manner you have to multiply with the 10, so 87560, then you have to divide it by 2. Okay, you have to divide it, so 4 3 1 balance 7, again 1 balance here, so 116, it is 8 then 0. Okay, this is the way. Third example, I am taking little bit bigger number 341936 into 5. Okay, again multiply by 10. 341936 divided by 2. Okay, 1, remainder is 1, so 14 7, then here 1, so put 0, 19, 9 2s are 18, balance 1 here, 13, it is 6, 1 remainder, so 16, it is 8 0. Okay, that's all. So let me see the final example. Okay, this is also a big number I am taking, so 4 6 3 7 9 2 5 into 5. Okay, again you have to multiply with the 10, so 4 6 3 7 9 2 5 0, then you have to divide by 2. Okay, so 2 then 3 1 remainder 1 here, so it is 17, so 8, so then 1 remaining here, so it is 19, 9 2s are 18, then 6, then 2, then 5. Okay, that's all. Keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.